Welcome to Janice Pronunciation Guide, where we look at how to pronounce some of the most mispronounced English words in the world. Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel to learn more pronunciation guide. This is a beautiful and traditional Irish name often given to girls, meaning bright or radiance. Its spelling may look unusual, but the pronunciation is surprisingly simple once you know the trick. Now, let's learn how to pronounce it. The name is Niamh. 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 Rhymes with leaf. So just add the N with it. Niamh. Niamh. Put together is Niamh. So remember, it rhymes with leaf. Niamh. Niamh. So that's how to pronounce it. That's it. Be sure to check out more videos on how to pronounce names that are difficult to pronounce. See you in the next video. Keep learning. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.